Which way? This way. Actually, this is my first time I've been here on this trail. Mountain bike trail. Oh yeah, oh, fuck. What's up, my friends? Welcome back to Outdoor Weekend. Spring is here, the days are longer and more people are out biking. I'm at Seatpost, Denmark, and riding and enjoying the weather. The Trek Roscoe 9 is a great bike, but it feels heavy, especially for practicing skills. I thought about switching to smaller wheels, but it's too expensive. So instead, I look for lighter tires that are good for trails and bike packing. So the stock tires are strong but heavy and hard to lift. So today I'm swapping them for lighter Schwalbe tires to make riding easier. So let's see how it goes. Alright, I got two new tires from Schwalbe Nobby Nic and Wicked Will. Both are 29-inch and 240 wide. The Roscoe already has tubeless valves, so I just need to swap the tires, add Markov sealant, and it's ready to roll. So I got everything here, and later I will explain why I choose these tires. But first, let's get started, my friends. Okay guys, this tire was not easy to put on. It's really tight and I had to struggle a bit to get on the rim. But now it looks great once the sealant sets. So the Roscoe 9 is ready to go. So let's keep moving, my friends. And remember to like and subscribe.
Can we go back to the love we started from, yeah? Can we take it back, before it all went bad? Remember how I used to make you laugh? Something all the tone goes. I feel that bass, watching all the right moves upon your face. It's like a dream. The music waves inside of me. Yeah, you go up and I go down. The beat goes right, no space and time. Yeah, you go up and I go down, and we go round and round and round. Yeah, we go round. Yeah, we go round. We go round. Yeah, we go I see your blue, no one in between us.
Alright, so I finally changed my tires and let me tell you, it was a good move. My bike came with Bontrager XR4 tires and they had a good grip, but they felt heavy and slow, especially on pavement. And also because they were so wide, the bike felt hard to lift and accelerate. Now I switched to Nobby Nic in the front and Wicked Will in the back. Both are 29 240. So Nobby Nic up front gives me better grip and feels lighter. Wicked Will in the back rolls faster and still has a good grip. And I gotta say, the bike feels so much better. It's easier to move around, rolls smoother, and just feels faster, almost like an XC bike, but still fun and playful, and it accelerates quick. So what's the difference? The bike is lighter and way easier to lift. They are faster and roll smoother on pavement and gravel, and you have a more control and feels safer in corners and downhill. And these are great for bike packing and even city riding. So yeah, I'm really happy with this setup. So what do you think? Is this a good upgrade? Let me know in the comments. Also, what have you been up to this week? Let me know. And I post also more on Facebook, so check it out. So that's it for now, and I will see you in the next one. Adios, bye bye, and remember to like and subscribe, my friends.